So here we have someone with long waist length hair. And it looks like they're going to be getting the hair cut into a pixie. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Oh, absolutely gorgeous transformation. Such a chic and stylish pixie cut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some long to short transformations. So here we have someone with curly hair. Oh, they ended up getting a nice little curly tapered cut. This is a very popular unisex haircut that we are seeing trending right now. Perfect for if you have curly strands. It's a great way to kind of shape up your hair. And then we have two twins getting their hair cut at the same time. Oh, they're showing us a reverse transformation. Oh, wow. Another curly tapered cut or curly pixie cut. Once again, this is a very popular trend that we're seeing with the curly strands. And then we have someone getting an undercut. So this one features a nice design in the back. Very cool. So we have another major big chop here. Wow, she has some really thick hair. So there is the before. Wow, there is the after. Amazing pixie haircut. So pretty. I think that these are my favorite kind of transformations to watch. The ones that go from really long hair to these super short pixie styles. It's just so inspiring to watch. So here we have once again someone with beautiful curly hair. Now she has some gorgeous cheekbones, and she is going to cut her hair very short into a curly pixie style or tapered cut. And what's nice about these really short styles, when you have the cheekbones for it, they will make your cheekbones pop out even more. And the stylist is just kind of washing the hair, creating some texture, playing around with the curls. Letting it air dry under the dryer. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And this is just such a simple and chic carefree style. Next up, it looks like we have someone getting like a mid-length cut. Another simple, effortless haircut. Gorgeous transformation. And we see another transformation into a mid-length cut. Beautiful. Her hair looks gorgeous. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these transformations with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.